everyone, and welcome back to our super tech adventure. We've given our unicorn movement, personality, sounds, control, and even senses. Today, we're giving her a brain for math and logic with the operator's blocks.
Math in a game? But I thought games were just fun, not homework.
Yeah, what do numbers have to do with making a unicorn fly?
Great questions. While it might sound like math class, operator's blocks are actually super fun because they help us make our game smarter and more unpredictable. They're all the green blocks on the left, and they let us do calculations, compare things, and even create random numbers. They're essential for things like scores, health, or making things happen by chance. Let's explore. The first type of operator's blocks are our math blocks. We have add, subtract, multiply, and divide.
So, we can just put numbers in there and Scratch will do the math for us.
Exactly. We can use these with variables which we'll learn about soon to keep track of scores or how many lives a player has. For example, if our unicorn collects a coin, we can add 1 to our score.
That's really useful for games.
Now, for making comparisons, we have blocks like greater than, less than, and equal to.
What are those for?
These blocks ask questions that are either yes or no. For example, we could ask, if score is greater than 100, then say you win. They usually go inside an if-then block from the control toolbox.
So, the unicorn knows where she is on the screen.
She does. And we have some very clever blocks for combining questions and or, and not, and asks if both questions are true, or if either one of the questions is true. Not flips the answer to a question. Let's create a little lucky unicorn game using these operators. We'll make our unicorn pick a random number, and if she picks the lucky number, something special happens. First, when the green flag is clicked, our unicorn should say, "Guess my lucky number," for 2 seconds.
And how do we make her pick a random number?
We'll use a set my number to pick random 1 to 5 block. We'll need a variable called my number for this. We'll learn more about these next time. This makes her pick a secret number between 1 and 5. Then, we'll ask the player for their guess, using ask, "What's your guess 1 to 5?" and wait from sensing blocks.
Now, how does she know if I'm right?
That's where our if-then-else and operators come in. We'll add an if-then-else block. For the question, we'll use the equals operator to ask, "If answer equals my number then," if it's a match, she'll say, "You got it. You're lucky," for 2 seconds. Else, if it's not a match, she'll say, "Oops, not this time," for 2 seconds.
I guessed a number, and she said, "You got it. I'm so lucky."
See how the operator's blocks let our unicorn do math, pick random numbers, and even compare values to make a smart game. They add so much intelligence and fun. If you've liked this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more similar videos. Bye-bye for now. See you later.